Hey crew, Kate here, and I'm back with a fun day of the week. That's right, it is Workout Wednesday, so today's the day I bring you some upbeat, kind of fun tempo songs so you can get over the hump day that is Wednesday and get some pep in your step. So today we are going to do a Bee Gees song from their 1974 album, Mr. Natural. I've done a few other ones from this, but the song today is called Heavy Breathing. And it is quite experimental. It's really fun. It's got a nice beat to it. And yeah, let's just get going.
Well, this is my last connection. I've been slow enough to die. Got no satisfaction in this trouble at night. Gotta get back to the highway. And I get back to where I know. But sooner or later there's gonna be a show. I gotta go, man, gotta go. Hey, I'm so tired. So tired. I don't know where I'm gonna start. So heavy breathing in the dark. Ain't nobody sweetheart. Ain't nobody fool. And if the sun don't set on my face, I'll be the last man to blow my cool. Feel my body shake. Well, there's so much left to say. Spend my life and disobey. Gonna find a way. Yeah, yeah. So tired. So tired. I don't know where I'm gonna start. Oh, yeah, breathing in the dark, in the dark, in the dark.
Yo, this song is so different. It's so cool. I love the horns. I love the heavy beat of it. I love what Barry's voice is like, rougher and raspier. And then Robin, damn, he sounds like the lead singer Robert Plant. He sounds like Led Zeppelin over here. Like, his voice is just doing, again, something like so different from what I'm used to it doing. And it sounds amazing. Yeah, this song is just, oh, it's so good.
So tired. I don't know where I'm gonna start. Heavy breathing in the dark. Well, it's only heavy breathing in the dark. Heavy breathing in the dark. Well, I don't believe in everything you say, just to save my soul. You know there's got to be a way better than a big black hole. Gotta take me from my suicide. Now you know this love I crave. You know we got to live like this from the cradle to the grave. Hey, now, so tired. I'm just so tired.
Yeah, dang. That song, that's such a surprising song. So, like, I remember when I did, Charade from Mr. Natural, I was like, yeah, so this album gets real experimental because if you put Mr. Natural, Charade, and then Heavy Breathing side by side, you're like, how is this all the same album? Well, now you can go listen to Mr. Natural, which I've done a reaction to, and then Charade, and which I've done a reaction to, and then, yeah, you'll know what I'm talking about, because gosh dang, like, so good. It's so good. It was the first album with Reef Marden producing, and you could definitely tell that it had a little more rock and roll, a little more kind of 70s, like early 70s, mid 70s, and maybe a little more American. I don't know if that's quite right or not. But anyway, yeah, great album, great song. Hopefully you got some energy going for your day. Like, subscribe if you like to hear me ramble about the Bee Gees. I've got a playlist of like 50-some songs now. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.